Hey, so it's actually 6:21 in the morning, and if you will notice, it's still dark. Yeah, because um, as I've experienced it last year, that usually when it's in the mid of autumn, like it's almost winter at all, then usually it gets dark, even if the time is like a morning time, and the sun would come out like a bit late, like 8 or 9. But during the winter, it's a bit late, like 90ish or 90ish. Yeah. So now oh, I I can't be seen, but yeah, I'm on my way to work, and I'll keep you posted later. See you, puss. Sorry guys, it's a bit shaky, but yeah, it's still dark. But the sun is almost up. Yeah. Sorry, it's a bit shaky. I don't really like um bring with me my tripod. It's because I'm usually going to work. So sorry. Sorry for the dead air. It's because I've heard someone walking as well. But I'll keep you posted. See you. Buzz buzz. Hey fairies! Welcome to you. So this is again your one and only fairy good mother, Binibining Diwata. Eh. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, this is your one and only fairy good mother, Binibining Diwata. So for today's video, actually I have some plans. Oh my god. I look like a mess. So, yun na nga po. I have plans for today. So, I'm done with my the half hour of my work. And then, oh, see, because it's really cold. Oh my god, I have to cut my, what I'm saying earlier. But I just want to show you, look how dry my face is. It is, what am I staring there? But yeah, look how dry my face is. So yeah, the reason why, but ang gulo ko, uy. So for today, I am going to the city because I am going to buy cream for my face and for my body, lotion for my body rather. And then after that, I'm going also to the store, another store. So it's gonna be surprising, and maybe surprising. I'm not sure. But anyway, after that, I am also going to my friend's place. So puro mga ano yun, puro mga Pinay. So doon ako kakain. Well, I'm gonna keep you posted till I get there to the city. Pero nasa city din naman ako eh. Pero what I'm trying to say is that from Centralen. So, the city center, we call it Centralen. Okay, so see you, puss puss. Hey, so today I'm currently now in the city and I am going to the other um, Asian store, but we'll check first the Filipino store. Okay, this. Okay, so unfortunately they are currently closed. Maybe it's too early, so I am going to the other Asian store. But hey, I'm back again. So I'm pretty much done in the city. But now I'm heading to the train station because I'm going to visit my friends. So yeah, you're gonna meet them soon. So keep you posted. Hey. Hey. So today, andito na ako. Wow, today. Obvious naman na today. Pero andito na po ako ngayon sa lugar ng mga Jumega ko. Pagod ako doon. Pataas na naman. So, update ko po kayo later. See you. Puss. Nandito na po ako. Tatawagin ko lang po yung mga friend ko. Hello, Jumaga. Nana ko dere. Oh, gawsan ako dere. Okay, so pasok na po ako and vlog ko po later kung anong ganap. Unsay giluto nimo Jumega?
Ay, magluto ko ka ng gamion. Gamion.
Unsay unsay nga kanon day?
Pansit.
Pansit chart. Lami ni sila magluto oy.
Or, ano dyan ang basta mga
Basta mga igat damion mag.
or luto.
Siyempre mga Pinoy tana ay magic sarap.
Yes.
Oh, char, pinaptik.
Ay, Jolley. Anong bugay man? Uy,
Mga taga-kaon rami day.
ano problema? Asa naman ang isa katagakaon? Patulog ko siya anak. Ang anak ko.
Unsay update na sa kanon.
Lapit na maluto.
Thank you, Mami.
For ang mami. May ganin na birthday.
Wala birthday, kita kakaon sa kiyanan sa nilutoan ni Juna kay tamad din kasi magluto. Sa kapoy luto ikaw mo dra.
Oh, di ba? Ready na. Oh, unsaon day oh, pak.
Pak na marinig.
Oh, pwesto na dira day. Kay mukhang ta na tag happy birthday day.
Kuhan mo kanta na happy birthday.
Oo. Sige na ba?
Si Martin nga kuhan. Dapat ibutang dira ang cellphone ana nga video o tapos atong magkanta ta kay Martin. Ila.
Tahan na to siya.
Sige tara nga.
Oh.
Klaro ang balon. I love you.
Tama ba?
Oo.
Oh, kana.
1 2 3 go.
Oh, di ba? Pinaptik.
Sige tapos video sa vlog. Happy na mamalo sa kanila sa happy birthday pagdali. Unya na pag wish sa unsay mong wish kay Martin.
Mag-anak mi, anak.
Oh, char!
Sila. Sige na.
Oh.
Hanap na ko na yun.
At dahil dyan, dapat manood si Martin ng vlog. Para
Preparation for your birthday.
yes, dahil para makita yun ng preparation o ang...
Bilbil. Hindi, ginawa yung mga bilbil. Wala yung ginachika.
Sige na, go.
Ano na, usa naman ni Day? Awa na. Sige na.
Oh, dali, pagdali.
Dili ka, oh.
Hey berries! Welcome and teal! So, welcome back again to my channel. So for today, if you're wondering why the place has changed, so by the way, I'm back home. It's home talaga. Home, it's because I changed my jacket because when paano ba mag-English way? Nung pumunta ako, Tagalogin ko na lang po. Nung pumunta ako dun sa birthday celebration ng juwa ng friend ko na dumihan yung jacket ko, so nag-change pa ako ng jacket. So yun po, nagkainan lang po kami, tas ako yung boysita nila doon. So, ngayon po actually, end ko na po yung vlog kasi ano po, yun po yung ganap sa buong video ng ano ko. Pumunta ako ng Asian store, pumunta ako ng city, pumunta ako ng birthday. Tapos ako po ang buisita. Ulit-ulit ako sa word na yun. Pero yun lang ho. I'm gonna end the vlog for today. So thank you so much for watching. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the subscribe button. And at the same time, there's a bell button as well so that you can get notification about my videos and upcoming videos and any... Ano ba? Basta, mga any emerald. So you can get notifications on updates and everything and whatsoever. And what else? You can also follow my social media accounts. So I have Facebook. So I have Facebook, I have TikTok, I have Instagram. So I have 2 Instagrams, by the way, just so you know. So one is, kind of personal stuff, but you can still follow that Instagram. And then at the same time, I have also another Instagram wherein I post like pictures, scenery. Well, it's just the same, but mostly in the other Facebook, in the other Instagram account is mostly like a scenario, a place, a video. So most likely. Grabe, napaka-redundant ko. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po ako. Hindi po ako magaling ng English. So, yun po. And then, I also have, nag-iisip pa ako. Pero, yeah, mostly yun po. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I forgot Twitter. So, yun po. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, guys. And please also watch out to my new series. So it's called Travel Series. So it's gonna be exciting. Me, I'm also excited as well because it's gonna be my first time to share with you guys about my travel experience. So I'm not gonna say what continent and what place or places I'm going to visit, so you have to watch out, and it's gonna be a lot of things to watch out. Ang pangit na. Pasensya na po guys kung nagiging wrong grammar po ako or ano po, medyo redundant. Hindi medyo kasi merong time na talagang redundant ako. So yun lang po, tatapusin ko na po yung vlog. So thank you so much for watching. Always remember that your fairy godmother appreciates and loves you all. And then I just want to say, jag älskar dig, fairies. And tack så mycket. Hej då. Puss puss.